Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we make money matters feel like a breakthrough. Ever wonder how YouTube videos are popping up with flawless voiceovers and visuals that seem almost too good to be true? What if I told you it's all powered by AI? And here's the kicker. You can profit from this cutting-edge technology by creating your own AI-driven videos. Let's break down how you can leverage AI-powered YouTube automation to not only create content efficiently, but also build a solid revenue stream in the process. But first, a quick disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only. Mentioning any apps, products, or services does not constitute an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. Now, what exactly is AI-powered YouTube automation? In essence, it's about using artificial intelligence tools to streamline video production, making it faster, more efficient, and best of all, monetizable. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Choose your AI-powered tools. First, you'll need the right software to handle different aspects of the video creation process. Let's dive into some of the best options available today. 1. InVideo. Think of InVideo as your AI video editor and creator. With over 5,000 templates, it allows you to turn articles, blog posts, and scripts into videos with minimal effort. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, this tool is easy to use and produces professional results. 2. Augie Studio. If you're looking for AI-generated avatars for your YouTube videos, Augie Studio has you covered. It can create lifelike avatars that speak in sync with your script. This is especially useful for tutorial videos or explainer content, offering an engaging presentation without needing to appear on camera. 3. Fliki. This AI tool converts your text into natural-sounding speech. With a wide variety of voices to choose from, you can match your video's tone and style perfectly. Whether you want a calm, informative voice or something more energetic, Fliki has you covered. 4. Veed. Perfect for automated video editing, Veed is an AI-powered tool that helps with everything from trimming clips to adding subtitles. Its simplicity and intuitive design make it easy to enhance your video in a matter of minutes. 5. 11 Labs. One of the leaders in AI-driven voiceovers, 11 Labs uses deep learning to produce high-quality, human-like voices. This is a great choice if you want your video narration to sound authentic and engaging. The voiceover can be tailored to fit different styles and emotions, ensuring your content resonates with your audience. Step 2. Create your video content. Now that you have the tools, it's time to create your video. With AI, the process becomes much easier. You simply input your script into one of these platforms, adjust the visuals, and voila, your video is ready to go. No complex editing skills required. AI takes care of the technical aspects, allowing you to focus on the creative part. Let's say you're creating a video on the topic of personal finance, like budgeting, investing, or building wealth. The AI can automatically add relevant visuals, text overlays, and smooth transitions, making your video both educational and visually appealing. Step 3. Optimize for YouTube and monetize. Once your video is ready, it's time to upload it to YouTube and start driving revenue. The beauty of YouTube automation is that you can optimize each video for the platform's algorithms, ensuring that your content reaches the right audience. To make money, you'll need to focus on YouTube's monetization strategies. These include ad revenue. As your videos gain traction, YouTube will serve ads on your content. The more views you get, the higher your revenue potential. Affiliate marketing. Incorporate affiliate links into your video description. Promote products and earn a commission when viewers make a purchase through your link. Sponsorships. Once you build a sizable audience, companies will pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. Merchandise. Selling branded merchandise to your loyal followers is another revenue stream you can explore. Step 4. Scale up. The real power of AI lies in scalability. As you fine-tune your process, you can start producing videos at a much higher volume. This increases your chances of hitting the YouTube algorithm's sweet spot, where the platform starts recommending your content to a broader audience. Take Amelia, for example. She used AI tools to create a series of budgeting tips videos on YouTube. Within 6 months, her channel had grown to over 100,000 subscribers, and she was making consistent income from ads and affiliate marketing. The best part? She didn't need to spend hours editing or recording. AI handled most of the work, leaving her with more time to focus on creating valuable content. Step 5. Master the financial side of AI automation. AI-powered automation isn't just about the tools, it's about maximizing profitability. To truly thrive, you need to understand the financial side of the business. Invest in the tools that give you the best ROI, track your earnings from multiple revenue streams, and continuously optimize your videos based on analytics. Real-world example. Let's talk about Henry. He started using AI video creation tools for his personal finance channel. Initially, his income was modest, but after he refined his strategy, focusing on trending topics, incorporating AI voiceovers, and optimizing video length, his ad revenue increased by 60% within a year. By consistently scaling up with automation, Henry built a sustainable, automated income stream while creating valuable content for his audience. Final thoughts. AI-powered YouTube automation offers an incredible opportunity to create content, grow your channel, and earn passive income, all without spending countless hours on manual editing or voice recording. The key is to leverage the right tools, optimize your content for YouTube, and understand the monetization options available to you. Which tool are you most excited to try? Or if you've already used AI for your content, share your experience in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going. If you found this guide valuable, you're going to love what's coming next. There's more to explore in the world of AI and finance, and we're just getting started. Stay tuned. This content is for educational purposes only. Mentioning any apps, products, or services does not constitute an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance.